Good morning, this is Lucas with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. The boat I'm looking at here in front of me is a 2008 Nautique 230 Team Edition, and they're blue and white. This boat does come standard with the Polk audio. We'll still get a full detail as well. The boat has 568 hours on it. Sea deck all the way into the boat there for you. This one does have the snap out carpet interior. Have the pop out bow cushion up front. Plenty of storage in this boat. 3-tank ballast system, and all works accordingly. Mole positioning wakeboard. Plenty of seating for all your friends and family. My name is Lucas. Give me a call here at Lake of the Ozarks MarineMax and ask about the Nautique 230.